Superman.
Really Superman.
A molecular man.
Me, no superhero resembles God.
Shiba Tatsuya.
Charles Xavier of X-Men.
He's from a Japanese light novel series.
Well, I personally think that V from Vendetta. I think no superhero can resemble God.
Thor resembles God.
Nobody.
I think Spider-Man.
Doctor Strange.
What is the one who created superheroes? Either they have money.
Two main powers that he has: decomposition and regrowth.
They can do things which none other can.
Either they become superheroes through experiments.
His main power is to control the molecules, and of course, when a universe is all made of molecules, so what a man can do. Even a man is also made of molecules.
It was his fate which let him get bit by a spider.
Because he can control time.
He can basically control other people,
Superman has been a role model for the planet Earth.
or they become superheroes through skills that are again given to them by God.
I think superheroes are also human.
Fate is something that cannot be defined and is controlled by the powers of God.
Even if I were to make a god, I would make I would take characters of Thor and mix some of Iron Man, the mind power of vision.
Point of God is someone who is omnipotent, can do everything.
He's good looking, he's smart, he's intelligent, he knows how to work with chemicals and everything, and he's very kind, and he knows what to do with the wrong, like with the evil, and what to do with the good people.
Something which cannot be, explained by science, and time itself has not been explained by science in a manner which can be construed by everyone, and hence I think Doctor Strange is one superhero who resembles gods the most.